Hi guys, I am Dhea Aulia Ananda from Social 4 and today I am going to show you how to make lemper roll seaweed. Lemper is one of my favorite snacks and it's a popular jajanan pasar in Indonesia. Usually, they are individually wrapped in banana leaf, but today I will modify it with nori seaweed. This food is so good, so if you want, you could sell it as your business. Lemper nori is modified to make it look more attractive to buyers, especially the millennials, because it's look like a sushi but has a local flavor. Lemper roll seaweed has a taste that can be accepted by all people, both young and adult. So, any further ado, let's get started.
The ingredient is 500 grams sticky rice, 200 grams boiled chicken, 300 milliliters coconut milk, and other ingredients. 1 candle nut and 1 pandan leaf, 1 sheet of nori seaweed. First, we shred the chicken that has been boiled beforehand. Then for the filling spices, mash all the ground spices that we have prepared. Prepare a frying pan. Saute the spices that have been mashed with a little oil. Saute until fragrant. Add a little coconut milk to make it more savory. Add salt and broth powder to taste. Add the shredded chicken, then cook until the water dries. Next, drain the glutinous rice and steam for 30 minutes. Before steaming, I wrap the rice using a filter cloth. While steaming, I cook coconut milk. Keep stirring so that it doesn't break. After steaming for 30 minutes, mix coconut milk into the sticky rice. Pour a little bit while stirring slowly. Let stand for a while, then steam again until cooked. Prepare a base for rolling the lemper. Because I didn't have a sushi mat, so I used a plastic. Set a sheet of nori in front of you and set the rice on the nori. Using your fingers, gently push the rice to cover the nori. Put the shredded chicken in the middle of the rice. You should not use too much filling to make it easy to roll. Use plastic as a support to lift the edges. Roll the lemper carefully. Next, slice the lemper seaweed into several pieces. Finally, lemper roll seaweed is ready to serve.